Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing in and picking the country you want to analyze. That gives you the trade universe you'll work in. Once logged, enter the year range and preferred currency so comparisons stay consistent. Now type an HS code or product name into the search field and pick the precision level, 2 to 6 digits, because specificity controls data volume. Make sure to select imports or exports immediately. This first step streamlines every downstream filter and speeds results. Once you have your basic query, refine it with partner country filters and the specific flow, imports or exports, so your chart reflects the trade direction you need. Then switch among map, table, and ranking views to visualize patterns. Maps reveal geography, while rankings show top partners by dollar or percent. Use the time series control to inspect trends over 1 to 5 or more years. Also add secondary selectors, transport mode, tariff lines, or trade indicators, because layered filters produce actionable. To finish, export the results you need. Download tables as CSV or XLSX, and save charts as PNG when you need visuals for reports. Once done, save the query or create an alert so future updates arrive automatically, and name saves clearly for easy retrieval. If you hit missing or inconsistent data, verify the HS code precision and date range first. Then clear your browser cache or retry with broader product aggregation. This simple troubleshooting fixes most gaps quickly.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.